Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Lucid Trading. Today I just want to I want to take a quick look at Tesla stock before earnings. Now this is going to be the technicals. I'm also going to be uploading a fundamentals video for Tesla, which is coming out tomorrow around this time. And also I'll be live streaming the third quarter event on the 21st of October, which is coming up on the Wednesday. So tune in. It's going to be awesome. We're going to look at that event, see what happens to Tesla stock, see if our predictions are right or wrong. All right, I want to be getting into this right now. Before I go into it, there is a Patreon link in the description. If you want to support this channel, then you can do so by going to my Patreon, becoming a patron, and donating any amount you want. You can get early access, consultations, private chats, etc. It's all possible on Patreon. It's going to really help out with the quality of the videos and the growth of the channel. All right, let's get into it. That was a mouthful. So, basically, we drew here we drew the bearish case for Tesla stock, which is that we go down. It does look like we have a little bit more left to the downside, so we drew that we would go down significantly to the 412 level, and right about a day before earnings, we shoot up to incredible highs to the $470 level. That would be around a $50 to $60 move, which is not unheard of. You know, that can happen with Tesla stock, especially if the stock moves lower. I've already explained this in another video. If Tesla stock moves lower before earnings, usually a day before earnings, Tesla shoots right up, like 10 to 20% in a couple days. It does look like we're heading this trajectory, but I don't think we're going to see this happen. Although if we do, we're going to hit the $13 mark, and then we're going to be heading really high. So what I do think is going to happen, which I've probably already drawn out on my other videos, but I just want to make it clear again that let me just hold on, guys. Okay, so the idea was we go lower, we go a little bit more lower, hit this level at 434, and then we start moving up, and MACD will start moving bullishly. We hit the $440, we come back down a little bit, and then we keep going up. We hit the $447, $447 mark, we come back down a little bit, and then we go ahead and we pop right through to about the $455, where we will probably move sideways, right? And let me think, right? So this is the 20th of October. Probably at this point, the whole this is just the beginning of the rally, but we could possibly just go down a little bit here, and then we would go back up to the 457, break through, hit the 464, come back down, hit the support level, possibly correct a little bit more than that, move sideways, and then right before earnings, we could see another pop. And this pop could take us all the way to, it could take us to the $480 mark to about the $500 mark from there on. Let me show you that. Right now I'm actually showing you the more bullish case, right? This is going to be one of the more bullish cases out there. So if you're looking, it's really annoying. Let me just delete that. And then from here, we're going to see a move to the upside like that. All right, that's a little bit overly done. Move to the upside like that. All right. this could happen. This is not unheard of. This has happened right there. Could happen right here as well. We could hit the $530 to about $540 level. This is going to be extremely bullish. And now I'm going to show you the bullish one. I think it could go there. And then it just goes up like that to about the $500 mark, 496-ish. And then we come back down like that. And then we just keep going down after earnings. That is a more likely scenario, by the way, because everybody's looking at that $500 target. Once it reaches $500, it sells off. Now, there is another case where we keep going up and up and up. Earnings comes, and then we go huge, parabolic. I've seen this one before. It doesn't happen often with Tesla stock. It could happen if earnings is super positive, and they might even get included into the S&P 500 in December. So wouldn't be surprised if this would happen. It's a little bit crazy though, so don't count on it. A move to the $550 to $600 just because of earnings. It is possible, but it's highly unlikely. That would be a 20% move. We've seen it before, but it's unlikely. So as I said, we go to the $480, come back down, huge. Then we go up $500. We touch the $500, we come back down. All right, so, but that was for earnings, obviously. Let's zoom in a little bit. Okay, so Monday, when we open, we could be seeing a push to the downside to about $434. Right after that, we have a very, very oversold RSI. It's already oversold. If I can zoom in over here, it's very low. So we would see a push to the upside to the 440. There we consolidate, we go down a little bit, and then we move up again to the 447. This is about a 10-point move, 2 percentage points. And from there onwards, we would consolidate, go down, correct a little bit, and then we would go to the 455. From the 455 on the 20th of October, we should correct a little bit, go up again to the $464. And from there, we could possibly see a sell-off right before earnings, and then go sideways, and then have a huge move to $500. So that pretty much sums it up price-wise. Looking at the RSI and the MACD is looking like it's super down. It wants to move up very soon, but not yet. So that's why we have that correction there. So we are counting that this is going to happen. We're just going to go down a little bit, and then we're going to cross over and go bullish way up to the sky. So let's look at the 30 minutes. The 1 hour. See what the 1 hour is telling us. 1 hour, same story. Same story, 1 hour. 4 hours. 4 hours, same story. Story is checking out. The 1 day is telling us that we are crossing over, going into bearish territory. And RSI has a lot of space to move up, so we're fine there as well. Let me just check. So yeah, we're about to cross over and become bearish on the 1 day, which it could go either way because there's a lot of space to the upside as well. So it could move up fast to the upside, especially, it's earnings. It's a big catalyst. Yeah, I think that was enough for the MACD and RSI. Now, before we close this off, I just want to quickly look at other events in history that looked very similar. Right there, right? We had a run up, we went sideways, had a run up, went down again, went up again, and we sold off, right? This earnings thing was the second quarter this year. We sell off around earnings very often. You can see it around here as well. We have a huge move to the upside, and we sell off And I think something very similar is going to be happening. We're going to move really high on earnings, and then another one, we go high, we go down, we go high again, we go down massively. So that was the last thing I wanted to show you guys. We're most likely going to go down a little bit and then pump ourselves up to the $500 mark to around the $480 mark. If it's very extreme, we could see the $600 or $550 mark around there. And if we're bearish, $413, and then we go to $470, it's all going to depend on the market. I think Monday the markets are going to be negative, which if they're negative, that could be a bit problematic for Tesla, but we'll see. I mean, they could be positive. Maybe I'm wrong. I've already done a stock market analysis. It's looking negative for Monday. All right, guys, this was Lucid Trading. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. That would be awesome. And also, guys, the Patreon link is in the description. You can get extra perks, you can get early access to videos, and more, obviously, consultations. The money would be spent on equipment, better software, and that's going to help out with the video quality significantly. And also, I'm going to be working less on the side, and I'm going to be focusing on making the best videos I can. All right, guys, I hope you had a nice, I hope you enjoyed the video, and this was Lucid Trading. I'm going to be heading now to bed. See you later.